Welcome back to Midwest Access and one of our very favorite spots, Tooth Talk with Dr. Katie Post. Thank you for being here.
Yes, thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
Yes, you're so passionate about what you do. You make this so fun to learn about.
Thank you.
And so we're going to talk about nighttime appliances today.
These are called dental sleep appliances.
Okay.
And so what drove me to this is my brother, his wife, he was snoring so loud, his wife had to sleep in the other room. And it was
That's heartbreaking.
Oh, it's, you know, honestly, it's really hard.
Yeah.
So at that time, this is 20 years ago, they had this thing that looked like a pacifier, and it would suck on your tongue and pull your tongue out. And it was, I thought it was brutal.
That sounds like torture.
Yeah, and you had to be a dentist to order it. I'd order it for him, and he's like, it works, but it's awful. You know? But he would use it because he's like, I can't sleep otherwise. I need this.
Yeah.
And so we went down this whole CPAP lane and all this. And one of my good friends who's a sleep doctor said, hey, could you make this for me? I think this would be great for patients. And so it drove me down. There's a whole area of dental sleep. And it's really cool. Like, if you look at this one, this is called an MEA, and it's really thin. When you have it in, it's clear.
Yeah.
And what it does is it just gently moves that lower jaw forward, so there's more space for your airway. So we're now with our orthodontist, what we're doing, or with Invisalign, is we're expanding that upper arch so that we can create more room for the tongue to pull it forward. So we're doing that. We're doing the CPAP. And we're doing this. So all three sort of help. Yeah. But especially for those people who are snoring or have sleep apnea, this is a really great solution. You just put the retainer in and wear it. Okay. So the other thing versus a CPAP, this comes in a tiny little case that you put in your pocket versus this big CPAP that you're hauling all over. Like if you're Tom and traveling over to Europe and doing these big fancy trips. Yes. Right? This is a great solution, but this is a good everyday solution too. So this one is actually a nylon material. Feel how soft that is.
Oh my gosh, this is just nothing.
And it's paper thin.
It is. And very comfortable.
And when you put it in, it looks like teeth because it's white.
Oh yeah, that's pretty cool.
With this, you can still talk, you can still drink. Some of them, as we need to move to the bigger ones, some of them are harder to drink or talk with it, but it works to move that airway. It depends on how strong your bite is or how much you clench or grind. Okay. But this is called a narval, and it's originally it was made by ResMed, and now it's made by a company out of Canada. And it's a really cool nylon 3D printed. We do a digital scan.
Of course it is. Yeah.
That it only takes 2 minutes, and then you do a special bite, and then you come back 2 weeks later and you have your appliance, which is easy. Easy.
It's so nice that there are like baby steps before that you don't automatically have to go to the bigger thing, but it's there if these aren't enough.
100%. 100%. And you can work with your dentist. Your dentist will know, you know, especially if they've had some training in this. And this is the kind of the elite. This is the top. It's called Somnodent. It's soft on the inside for your teeth, and then it's harder on the outside, and that really helps your jaw go forward. Yes. But you can see even there, it's clear. You can talk with that.
This wouldn't feel like, especially not like a tongue extractor like it started with.
100%. So much better.
Oh yeah, that's little and slick.
This is getting more and more popularity because people will wear them and wear them every day.
Compliance is a big thing too. It's like, it's great to have that, but if you won't wear it, it doesn't work at all. Thank you so much for sharing. So Dr. Katie Post doing our Tooth Talk series, and Northwest Dental Group with 3 locations. Yep,
Northwest Dental Group has 3 locations, one on 37th Street, one on Superior Drive across from Costco, and one in Byron.
That's awesome. It's very accessible, so get in touch with her. Just so knowledgeable, and your staff is so kind and caring and has expertise, and I can't stop talking. Thank you. All right, we'll be back with more Midwest Access after this.